Siri can save you a lot of time. To active Siri, go to Setting, click Siri, talk to Siri, press side button for Siri, click Enable Siri.
The
Voice
colors of
1,
the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
The
Voice
colors of the
2,
sky fade with the setting sun.
The
Voice
colors
3,
of the sky fade with the setting.
The colors of the
4,
sky fade with the setting sun.
The
Voice
colors of
5.
the sky fade with the setting sun as the
You
stars
choose
begin to shine through the clear night.
example voice
The colors
2.
of the sky.
Next, not only. Then click Hey Siri. Okay. The more you use Siri, the better it understands your voice. Siri is like a personal assistant right in your pocket.